Hi guys, I just want to say thank you Naveen for this pair from yesterday. I didn't have time to able to make a PA for post analysis, so I bought this price from I could see the sister pair was playing out pretty well. From this side, where is it? 18. So they were moving up, but at the same time, I didn't want to take all the way because I could see is um well, I was training in 1 hour, so I was focusing on 1 hour instead of I was focusing on 15 minutes to read the whole story. Okay, okay. Um, Still pretty new. I still try to figure out the why I bought this at the same time, but I took a bot from Naveen this pair because he was talking about sister pair. So I was having a question. Is a sister pair like correlation or powerful than fundamental? That was my question, and I just say for myself that I would just bought at this area. That's why I point this area to. First of all, I'll probably read it first from the beginning of the training. I will read it from the buyer, and then the seller came weak, and then the seller came strong. At this point, I'm trading as a gray color because I saw the main post and just try them out and not to focus a lot the colors, just focus on um, the lows and the highs. So I see the high was pretty weak, but the low I see the seller is coming weak at the same time. But then I see this couple candles came pretty strong, but better than the seller. So then I'll look back from 1 hour that's I supposed to focus on the trading. But what I see from here to here to here, I see this candle was pretty strong, but at the same time, I bought from this area because I thought it would start moving up, or I bought started moving up. I was kind of a little worried, and kind of a little worried that it won't make it because of this area that the seller came by. So but at the same time, I wasn't really scared about it because I was setting up my alarm to over here to if it hit, I'm not in this trade no more, because the direction that I expected that is not coming my way. So basically, it does on this hour from the 12, but it was playing out in 1 hour, and I was really expected, not too happy, expected to play out. But at the same time, I took an 80% of here, um, just in case something happened um, on this area. Yes. Unfortunately, it does expect, but I didn't expect like go all the way high. So I took 80% and just let it play out the rest of the 20% of here, and I put the I don't want to put all the way. I mostly most conservative, try to get as much of this area before the seller hit back down, and then before that I took my profit. I took the 20% profit, and it went well. It went well, and after that, starting to play out a different way. So I didn't really trade that one for too long. let it go for too long. All I saw is a strong buy and maybe a possibility to go back 20%. And from here, I could see that the buyer is taking the money out, and after that, I try to hit again, and then it worked out, and then solo came back. From there, it was a good trade.